This is PicassoTab, a multifunctioning drawing tablet made for students and aspiring artists. Weighing less than 1 pound, this tablet can replace nearly everything currently in your backpack. First and foremost, this is for artists to create. With the Active Pen and Autodesk Sketchbook pre-installed, there are no limitations to what you can sketch, draw, or paint. Running Android 7 Nougat OS means that you are free to download apps from the Google Play Store until you make the PicassoTab truly yours. You can sit back on a break and watch your latest entertainment, or scan a document using either the 5-megapixel camera on the back and a 2-megapixel front camera to take notes during class. The PicassoTab is equipped with the latest ports like micro HDMI, allowing you to plug into your TV at home or a projector to present a class project directly from your tablet. And with 32 gigs of internal storage and the ability to expand another 32 gigs with the micro SD card slot, you will always have plenty of space to store everything you need. With the PicassoTab, you can enjoy all-day battery life, but when you need a quick recharge, the modern-day USB Type-C port is ready to get you back at it. This is not just another tablet. This is a device that inspires creators to keep doing what they do best, without letting technology get in the way.